Hello guys, I am very tired, but it's ready for the update. Yes, the update is out! July 4th event, exclusive fan crate, Yo Barrett, cameraman exclusive, shop, military mutant toilet girl summon, 7 plus toilets. Yo, what the heck is this? Oh my god. I'll have to check this shop. Yeah. It costs Robux. Are you kidding me? Guys, this update is so good. Bro. Sparkler. Cameraman AoE splash piercing. Yo. That might be the best uncommon in the game. Titan Fireman. Godly Splash. 90,000 again is better than question mark assist. 80,000. 22,000. What? What? Yeah, someone. No, but guys, I'm gonna watch.